All right, so now that we talked about the vocabulary, let's talk about a little bit about the examples, okay? Remember I told you if they give you one angle, at least one of them, you can figure out the rest of them, okay? So let's try number 2A, okay? 2A has, okay, the only angle they gave you was 127. This angle right here is 127, this one right here. Okay, this little angle is 127. Okay. Okay, based on the angles that I know, remember what I know, corresponding angles and vertical angles. Based on the corresponding angle, what corner is the same thing as 125? Remember, I have angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which corner, again, we're talking about this circle, and then we have talked about this circle. We're always going to have a corner from each circle. Which corner matches to the 125? Okay, well, 125, oh, sorry, not 125, I'm so goofy. 127. Which corner matches 127? Remember, this is the same line, okay? Line R is the same thing as line T. So this is R and T. This is line RT, and this is a transversal cutting it. This is 127. Which one has the matching corner? Well, the matching corner, remember, it has to be 5. It's on top, right? So 127. Now you know that angle 5 is also 127. This is 127. Okay. Again, corresponding angles are in the same corner, and we're talking about in a circle. And if you're struggling trying to figure out from first picture to the second one, just put it in one, okay? Which one matches this one? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to erase the circle, okay, because I figured out that angle 5 matches. So again, this is 127, and this is also 127. Let me just put it. I'm not going to call angle 5 no more. It's 127. Okay. Next, I don't know anything about, I can't use corresponding angles anymore. However, I can use vertical angles. Remember, vertical angles are across from each other. Okay. This V, where I have 127, is across to the bottom V. So up and down. Okay. So that means that the matching angles are also angle 7, because there's a cross from 127 here, and it's going to be angle 3. So this is also 127 and 127. Okay, so there you go. Based on the corresponding angles and vertical angles, I was able to figure out angle 5, 3, and 7. Okay, don't worry about the rest of the angles. We're not talking about that just yet. All I want you to do is use what we know about corresponding angles and vertical angles, okay, to solve for the problem. So you guys may want to try number 2B now. They only gave you 153 here. Sorry, this little corner here. Based on the information we know about corresponding and vertical angles, which one is also 153? Angle 2, 4, or 3. We're just focusing on the top circle right now. Let's just focus on the top circle. Which other angle is, okay, 153? Is it 2, 4, or 3? What do you think? All right, at this moment, you should have noticed that the angle for this, again, we're not using corresponding angles just yet. Corresponding angles, you only use it when you match it to the other circle. But we're not doing that. I told you just focus on the first one. So we're going to use vertical angles. Vertical angles means that they're across from each other. So 153 is across from 4. So that means that 4 is also 153. Okay. All right, now let's match by using corresponding angles. So that means we're matching this circle with this circle. And again, what's happening? The lines are the same. Okay, angle to this circle is the same for both of them. Okay, so based on corresponding angles, which one has the matching corners? Matching corner to 153 of angle 4 and 153 on the top. Okay, which ones has 153 also for this circle right here? Angle 5, 6, 7, or 8. Which ones? There's two of them. Which ones? All right, again, you have 153 here and 153 on the bottom. So it's the same one for the second circle. Same, same, same. So that means I have 6 and 7. This is 153 and this is also 153. So my answer for this was going to be angles 6 and 7. So there you go. I figure out 3 more angles based on that one angle they gave me. Okay. One more problem to go. All you have to do is tell me which ones are vertical angles. Vertical angles. Vertical angles again. What are vertical angles? Across from each other, right? Draw the lines that you have intersecting. Okay. The lines that are intersecting is this one with this one. Okay. Give me a vertical angle. What do you guys think? Angle what with angle what? Well, one of them, the easiest one, will be angle 5. This one right here, right? And that's your V. And it's on the upper side V. So which one is the one down? Across from it. This is the down one. It's going down, right? So that means that angle 5 is congruent. It's the same as angle 2. And then there's one more, and it's kind of tricky, okay? You have this angle right here on the right side, angle 1. Angle 1 is congruent to what? Well, on the left side. And what do we have in the left side? We actually have two angles. We have to connect angle 4 and 3, to be the same thing as angle 1. So that means that angle 4 with angle 3 make angle 1. They're across from each other. This is the left side of those two vertical lines. Again, we did not use this line, so pretend like this is not here. We only use the lines in red because, again, vertical angles are only made with intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the ones in red. We have the left side, the right side, the upper side, and the down side. Up goes with down, that's why angle 5 is congruent to angle 2. And left goes with right side, that's why we have angle 1. But don't forget that for the left side, we need to add those two angles together. Not just one, we need both of them. Okay, so these are kind of examples of what are vertical angles.